Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of See It Slurp Fresh Noodle Fridays. I know y'all are some big Samyang Buldak fans in the house here, as am I. And I'm obsessed with the cream carbo or just the regular carbo. They're all so freaking tasty. And I really wanted to make my own version of it, non-instant style. I want to try to see if I could hack this sauce because it's just so bomb. So I'm gonna make my own version of Samyang style carbo udon noodles. Let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so we have our ingredients here. We're gonna start off with some butter, 2 tablespoons. We have a bunch of garlic, use less if you want. Gochujang. We have some light cream cheese, or you can use full fat cream cheese, 1 block of udon noodles, 1 egg, and fresh flat leaf parsley. We're gonna begin by boiling some hot water and pouring at the top our frozen sanuki udon noodles. We're just doing that to loosen it. Drain, and then we're gonna get started on chopping up our garlic, mincing that, and then adding to our pan, don't mind my pan is dirty, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then adding our minced garlic to the pan. We're gonna be stir frying that and sauteing that over medium heat, adding 2 tablespoons of our cream cheese, and then 1 tablespoon of gochujang, adding about 1 cup of water, and then adding in our noodles and bringing the heat up to high. Adding a bunch of Parmesan cheese here. It's really up to you how cheesy you want it. And then adding some pepper, some gochugaru, a little bit of salt, and really causing that liquid to die down. And then add a fried egg on top, add some parsley, and there you have it. Cream carbo in reality. Yum!
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!